गणित की दुनिया के महान गणितज्ञ आर्यभट्ट के जीवन परिचय पर अपना भाषण लेके प्रस्तुत है अब हमारे विद्यालय की कक्षा एकादश A की बहन रीना।
A very good morning to all present here. Myself Reena Jha, and today I am going to deliver a speech on Aryabhat. Mathematics is the music of reason. Life is a mathematical equation. In order to gain most, one should know how to convert negatives into positive. Aryabhat was a great mathematician and astronomer of ancient times of India. He was born in Patliputra in the year 476 AD. It is believed that he completed his studies in Kusumpura. He was the head of Kusumpura institution. Aryabhat's contribution in the field of mathematics and astronomy were impactful. Due to his contribution in the field of mathematics, he is also known as the king of Indian mathematics. Some of the significant contributions that Aryabhat made in the field of mathematics are the place value system and zero, approximation of pi, trigonometry, algebra, indeterminate equation. Besides mathematics, Aryabhat made many discoveries and inventions in astronomy. Aryabhat's astronomical system is also known as Udaika system. Scientists made many discoveries based on his discoveries, such as that planet and moon in solar system are lightened by the sunlight only. Earth rotates on its axis only is the theory given by Aryabhat. Some of the significant contributions that Aryabhat made in astronomy are the solar system motion, eclipses, heliocentrism, and the sidereal period. Aryabhat wrote many books such as Aryabhatya, Dashkitika, Arya Siddhanta. The contribution made by Aryabhat are still used in today's time. Aryabhat's astronomical calculation methods are used in Islamic world to calculate days for calendars. Aryabhat's definition of sine, cosine, verse sine, and inverse sine impacted the development of trigonometry mathematics. Moreover, he was the first one to give the sine and cosine table with 3.75 degree intervals from 0 degree to 90 degree with 4 places of decimal precision. To honor such great mathematician, Indian government named India's first satellite Aryabhat, the lunar crater Aryabhat after him, to embrace his contribution in the field of astronomy. Also, Bihar government created Aryabhat Knowledge University in Patna to develop and manage educational infrastructure linked with leadership, technical, medical, and associated with professional education. The contribution of a scientist since Aryabhat have never been the same. His contribution in the mathematics and astronomy truly made a difference to the world. He has contradicted and challenged the beliefs that were going on that time, and through calculation he proved all true. At that time, without any advanced technology available, being able to approximate and estimate his discovery was truly remarkable. We must take pride in his work as Indians. At last, I would like to conclude my speech with a quote that he invented zero, he valued nothing, thus he valued everything. Thank you and have a nice day.